Welcome to another Your Guide video. This is my sample CKA test. I'm an Azure Administrator, Azure Screen Engineer, Azure Solutions Architect, and a Certified Kubernetes Application Developer. CKA sample test question number 2. Create a pod with an init container. The skill level for this question is medium. Configure a pod that runs 2 containers. The first container should create the following file /data/speedracer.txt. The second container should only start once this file has been created. The second container run the sleep command as its task. Good luck. Okay, another challenge here. We're going to create a pod, and the key here is a init container. And one reason this question is marked as medium is because in the question it doesn't say make an init container. It describes what an init container is, and you have to come to that conclusion that we want to use an init container. And that's the part where it reads, the second container should only start once this file has been created. So an init container does. An init container runs before any other containers, and it must be successful. So let's get started. All right, so it says configure pod that runs 2 containers. So I'm going to use my documentation and perhaps find the word init containers. And look at that, there's one. Let's check, see if there's a good example. And I think I'm going to use this example right here. Now it has 2 init containers, but that's all right. We only need 1. So I'm just going to make sure I get everything. Copy. And then bring that file in. And I'll call this question2.yaml. Paste. Okay, Shift I. And let's see. Does it say we have to call them anything? Nope. So we got free reign there. So I'll just keep. I'm gonna make this container 1. And I'm gonna get rid of this second init container so I don't forget. Can't seem to get down there for some reason. All right, so in our command line for our init container, we want to make a directory called /data and then create a file called /data speedracer.txt. I think that will work. And let's just call this init. And this one we just want to sleep for a while. That should do. And 3600 is correct. I think that's it. Anything about namespace? Nope. All right. kubectl create. Remember, the key here was knowing what an init file was. Didn't know what that was, you'd be going down a black hole. Alright, get pods. The my app seems to be going the init. And there we go, we got it running. And you can easily check, do a describe on my app pod. I got probably see pod here. And we could just make sure the init container was successful. It ran the command, terminated, but it was completed, so that's good. I mean, it worked, and we're running it over here. So full credit, I believe, we're going to have on this one. Thanks for watching.